Good morning, y'all. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So as you see in today's title, I'm going to be doing a POV. You are my camera for the day. It is Wednesday, March 8th, maybe. Girl, don't ask me today because I really don't know. I think it's March 8th. Today I'm hanging out with my friend. My shoes are so squeaky. But before we go hang out, I want to low-key get an outfit. I'm gonna pick out something. When I get back from finding an outfit, I'll go into detail what we're doing today. But just know for right now, I'm going to Rainbow and I'm going to Starbucks. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get to Rainbow. But after Rainbow is when I'm gonna really talk to y'all, give y'all the whole details of what the day is gonna be like. Hi, can I have a grande iced matcha latte with light ice, oat milk, 6 pumps of brown sugar, and vanilla cold foam? And then can I have a grande mocha frappuccino? And then do you guys have the double smoked bacon sandwiches today? Can I have 2 of those, please? And that should be all. Thank you. Yeah, I'm at Dunkin', period. Y'all, so I'm back from Rainbow. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do like a little get ready me, whatever, but I'm gonna show you what I got. I got a jumpsuit. Hopefully it fits. If not, it's going straight back to the store. But I stopped from Starbucks and Dunkin', as y'all saw, and I got a matcha. Y'all know I always get matcha because I'm a matcha girly. But today, I'm not messing with it. I think I've come to the fact that I don't want it anymore. But maybe because normally when I get matcha, I drink it so fast that I don't let it sit. And so today I let it sit and then I drank it when I got home, and now like I think the ice is just like diffused the whole drink that I don't like it anymore. So I don't know. And I also think it's too much brown sugar. I got 6 pumps because normally that's what I when I back at school. This is 6 pumps, but it's like way too much, so maybe it was a bit much for today. It's not nasty, but I feel like all I'm drinking right now is brown sugar and I'm not messing with that. Let me give you up for an agenda for the day. It is currently 12:55. At 2:30 I'm gonna leave my house to go pick up my friend. We're gonna go to the mall first, do a little shopping, and we're gonna get some sushi afterwards in Birmingham because we both like sushi. We wanted to try it, so hopefully I can get a shrimp tempura roll, because if not, then I don't like sushi. Like the only type of sushi I like is shrimp tempura, and that's it. I don't like nothing else. Don't give me nothing else. And that really is the end of my day. I think I'm gonna see my man later on today, and that's really about it. But I will be taking off for the whole, you know, the whole day. Right now I'm not gonna do anything until 2:30. I'm just gonna chill, and then by like 2 o'clock I'm gonna get dressed. So I'm gonna do that, and then when it's time for us to get ready and all that, I'm gonna pick up the camera and talk to y'all, because for right now there's nothing that is really going on. Here for the hair. Nothing else is really going on right now until I start getting dressed at 2, so I'm gonna talk to y'all then. Alright y'all, I am all dressed. Let me give y'all a little OTD for the day. I wanted to set y'all up, but it's just not gonna work. So we have jacket from Forever 21, black jumpsuit from Rainbow, my neon Uggs, my neon DKNY, and there's me. We're about to get ready to go so I can go pick her up. I'm trying to decide, should I take my camera case? And I'm ashy. I'm trying to decide, should I take my camera case? I don't know if I want to. I'm about to go sit in the car because I want to be on the road as soon as possible. I'm gonna bring my case with me. So I'm gonna talk to you guys when we get in the car and pick up my friend. Maybe I'll have her on the camera today while I'm driving, because I'm gonna be the designated driver. I'm gonna talk to you guys when we get to her house.
Been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed.
Say hola, Natalia. Hola. Y'all, I'm back at Macy's trying to find some jeans that are gonna go with my outfit.
Trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. Oh wait, that's so serious. Got me thinking just so much. I wanna shut it out, but it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you saw me feeling.
I think these are a no. They just don't fit me. Yeah, no.
It's this one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this.
But I don't know if any boots can fit underneath here though. I don't know.
One thing I want to admit. It's this one thing and I was so with it. It's this one thing you did. Hey, we don't know each other well, so why I keep picking on myself. Memories just keep ringing bells. Hey, voices I don't wanna understand. My heart keeps jiggling in my head. All my hands are clicking towards your door. It's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you saw me feeling. It's this one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit. It's this one thing and I was so with it. It's this one thing you did. And maybe I just keep believing. It's this one thing you did.
Looking at rings, y'all. I'm trying to find my promise ring. That one right there. That one right there.
Get
The silver one.
Which silver one?
Maybe that is rose gold.
It's rose
it's
gold.
oval shape.
With the big oval diamond.
Yes, yes. That's
That
exactly
looks
what.
like an engagement ring right there.
Okay, he can do silver. He can do silver.
He's the one that big ass diamond.
Don't give me a ring, you have to come. Stop. Extra hot.
That's true. You ain't lying. You ain't like he don't need to give you these little daisies, little pansies.
Oh no.
Right here next to the this Mickey Mouse one to the left. There.
Yeah, I see. That's a pretty one.
That's not bad. You know, it's cute, simple.
I think I need.
This nigga want extravaganza.
I don't think I want extravagant. I need like I had that. Wait, are they? Oh. They're not on. What do you say? Ooh. These are tight.
Put the other one on. You sound tired.
I do. Tomatoes. Up. In the club. Okay. Oh, these are cute. These are so cute. Alright, so we're back at the mall because I have to do something. But anywho, the outfit didn't match. I didn't even show you the whole outfit. And you're not gonna see anyway, but the whole outfit didn't match. So I'm gonna see if I can find some other pants. But if I can find other pants, you know what? I'm not even pressed about it because it's not my outfit shouldn't be that important to y'all. You know what I'm saying? As long as I like it and it's my birthday, that's all that matters. But the pictures have to eat. Like, they have to eat. There's no other way around it besides the pictures gotta eat. This is the best perfume on the planet. That Valentino.
Keep tripping, I don't want your window. You a fan, ho. Little bitch plays you up out your spot. I heard you was fucking in the band, though. I'm just saying, though. I done heard about you, bitch, you ain't low. They think keep costing to get that shit like duh. You don't know near, ho. No duh, money, all honey. I'ma take that dick, don't run from me. These days can't get no love from me. He addicted like I drunk
Keep going straight and then you're gonna make it right. Y'all, she gotta go to the bathroom. Y'all, I got some of the Candy Prada perfume from Sephora. Oh babe, they got good stuff. This MTN bag, this MTN bag is so cute. But yeah, I charged my camera today and it's acting like it's about to die. So I'm gonna talk to you guys. Probably we're gonna get ice cream too. So I'm probably gonna talk to y'all when we get ice cream, and then we're gonna go get sushi. Sushi. Y'all tell me why I can't find these stupid jeans in my size, in the right color. I think she wants some hoops though. Because they have to be clip-ins. Y'all, I bought some Skims. Didn't even use my money. Period. We was nervous. Like, I didn't want to. Yeah, we was praying. I didn't want to get up to the. That's so embarrassing to get up to the register and act like you don't have the funds to pay for something. Like, that's so embarrassing. So, period. We got to do all that. Alright, y'all. So, we're here. I'm not going to take my tripod. Let me take this off, actually. But we're here at the restaurant. It's called Adachi in Birmingham. I'm gonna record a TikTok as well. But I left my phone at Somerset. Mind you, they close at like 7. They close at 8 o'clock, and I left my phone on the counter. Hey y'all, we struggling right now. No, Birmingham parking sucks. Yeah. It's not the best. Oh, shut up. ATL, Draco, ATL, Draco. Praying for my demons, girl. I got you. I get vulnerable.
Or scan your monthly card.
Be in the parking garage, y'all. She whipping her little thing. Hey, y'all. Yay! Finally, we're gonna get sushi. We were talking about sushi all day.
Let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I should.
Y'all, we have this place called Adachi in Birmingham. I might have told y'all this.
See, we been making love constantly.
Alright, so we got the rock shrimp tempura. Okay, what would you rate the shrimp tempura?
It's given like tasty, but still classic. But also give it a little bite.
Y'all know I don't like spice now, but it is pretty. It is pretty good. I would give it a. Okay, for a person who doesn't like spicy stuff, I would eat one bowl, or I would eat how much I ate already. But I would give it like. I would give it an 8.5, 8.59, just because it was a little spicy for me. But it was pretty good, and I would get that again.
That's why my eyes are ashamed. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I miss, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to see it.
Hi y'all, this is the concoction maki roll. I'm excited. That's a good pickup. Okay, come on, skills. Come on, we're international. Across the country.
The honeymoon color.